Are you ready to cut your hair? Today, I'm gonna be doing a trim around the sides of my hair to blend it up so I can have a nice natural look. And so if you're looking to trim and cut your hair yourself, watch this video. I highly recommend it. So we're gonna take it outside because I don't wanna get the bathroom all messy with the hair and the trimmings. So we'll bring it back there, get some note papers out and a pen, and I'll show you guys how easy it is to trim up your hair. Let's go. You'd be surprised how easy it is to cut your own hair. And I really highly recommend it for those guys that like to do the DIY and also to save a couple bucks because haircuts right now can get really, really expensive. So make sure to like and subscribe, you guys. Let me know how you guys like to cut your hair. And with that, I will see you in the next video. Have a good one.